Oh shit, no. What you want to do?
Go risk it for that?
What you want to do for it? At least probably 25, 3,000.
I just had that kind of money up in the pot.
I know, I don't know why.
Hey, Josh.
Oh, that's what we gotta have. Sorry, great. Shit suck, boy. That shit gay as a
What you want to do? You want to run chair? You say you want to run for about 1,000, 1,500. You sure?
You want to up it a little bit? Like 25?
I can see, but they all talking about 1,500.
He trying to put some money. What you was putting in 1,700? He was putting in 17 by himself.
I was at like 1,200, 1,300 myself.
We got
trying to get some money back.
Shit, we need to just take these 2 cars down there, bro, and get it out. Send the little prep people down there when they pull up, do they part of burn out and let get it. Change all that shit up here.
So what you see if you get up 25 chairs, please.
You do too. We ain't never been down that road.
Shit, the car ain't got number 2 visions on. That don't count. He just put that man's shit together.
You too.
Tell them boys 25 and gamble, Chad. Get it over with.
This man he trying to come down near that by himself.
Alright, let me see.
Let's get to talking. I got some undercover top secret CIA shit. You know what I'm saying?
Tell me about this. It's classified information.
Classified. Now what happened was, goddamn, they had an argument today that Chaz was ducking Josh, but then little did everybody know that my boy Chaz called me on the back line after the fucking live and said, Keith, we racing Josh tonight. I said, damn, how much? 3-on-3. It's a 6K a better pot. So I was like, fuck. They said, just keep this shit classified, keep it down low. I said, say no more. So today, I got Josh, baby driver Josh, one of my young boys, well built together, goddamn Camaro, Cam Camaro versus Chaz. Undefeated, gangster boat on, goddamn Mustang, 10-speed versus. Josh got an 8-speed, right? Yeah, 10-speed Mustang versus 8-speed Camaro, 8th mile. Shit, we gonna see it. And his head the fuck up. Josh a gangster for trying Chaz's head up. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people scared of Chaz.
And this only type of action happens where,
Oh, in the jungle. In the jungle. Oh, by the motherfucking Caesar himself.
It's my truck. You sure it's your truck? Yeah, it's my truck.
Big! Keith in there, big. You know what the fuck going on, man. Welcome to the jungle. Oh, and got to know I have my brother.
I can't find it, bro.
What happened?
My boy Nico. You know what I'm saying? I love him so much I kiss him.
What did this nigga have?
You know what I'm saying? But this is
I don't even know what the fuck you talking about.
Nah, we just doing an introduction. We just sharing everybody, bro, who really run Atlanta.
Oh,
and we the 2 niggas that run Atlanta. If you say yes, I say yay. You say no, I say hell no. You know what I'm saying? Cause they're my mother dog. Hey man, you wanna come to Atlanta, you gotta check in with us 2 niggas, man. Us 2, you know what I'm saying?
It got aftermarket control arms on it too. No, we don't care. I'm just saying. No, it don't. Got no aftermarket control.
Oh! Hey, don't you let him.
Man, I don't know if you knew what's up under my shit. Talk crazy. I don't know if you knew it. Doing some broke ass niggas. I was just talking like money come to one nigga. What the hell? This shit national.
You're the Jack boy, nigga.
This shit is
national. Fuck Jack boy.
This shit is national. This shit is national.
Are you the money man?
Okay. Yeah. Everybody else got called that by money man.
Oh no, look at twin. No, that nigga talk to you like that. What the hell?
I'm 16 having a B-roll D nigga having. What the hell? Come on, now, let's be for real.
Oh, you got school in the morning. You can take that home.
Hey man, you better do your goddamn homework and go to homeroom at 7:30, nigga.
Nah, still make money. Still have an income. What you saying?
Hey. And that's how you stand up big, nigga.
What is you saying? You a grown ass man.
There you go, nigga.
I can compare money with you. Oh, what is you talking about? This man, he a grown ass man.
And good be something about yourself. You out there with them bum ass niggas about to lose their fucking race, nigga. You better go to school and be a doctor or something, nigga. Oh, you got the, hey, no, what shoes you got on, nigga?
Nigga, these is Yeezys.
DJ, nigga, DJ.
All that J. All that J. I got shoes over 15. I got shoes over. Have you read this?
What
Palm
that say?
That's Nike. This
Yeah, this Nike, nigga, this Nike, this real Nike. This not own that. This not own that, nigga. This not own that. That nigga probably ain't got no bank account. Hey, man. You got a child checking account, nigga. You got overdraft for texting everything on your checking account, nigga.
New generation.
You ain't got no money, nigga. You got a house, nigga. You stay with your mommy and daddy, nigga. I got a house in my name, nigga. I got 5 cars, nigga. I do this shit for real, my nigga. I'm from Macon, Georgia, nigga.
56. How old you is? You about 50 something. This man about 50 something, bro.
Hey, is it 4K?
I'm gonna get it to him, oh.
Cause they trying to see if they 4K.
Yeah.
It's gotta be 4K. Well, no.
I got school in the morning. I'm still out here banding. Honey, blues. With y'all. Come on now. Let's be for real. Let's be for real. Let's be for real. My chain costs more than everything you got on right now. We could bet that. We could bet that. We could bet that. We could bet that.
Bro, what y'all got going on, bro?
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
That's 2,000.
Okay.
Somebody give me what the light is.
Man.
23.
23, 24.
Okay.
25.
Damn, man.
26. 27.
Yeah, I don't know how to play with y'all.
8.
9.
Count, Chad.
31. 3. 31.
31. See, yo.
3. Yeah, I might have to start over. Chill out.
What the hell?
31.
31.
I'm fucking Quay my dog.
All right, let's flip, bro. Let's get the show over.
Damn.
Okay, who you like?
6,400 right down the keeper.
He was in my pocket.
6,400 down the keeper.
We got 100 on who's pocket. I'll tell you about this. I'll tell y'all this. Go ahead, this for Lane. I'll tell y'all.
For Lane.
Lane choice.
Who calling?
Y'all are.
Who calling what? No.
Y'all calling for Lane.
Oh, that's for lane choice?
Yes.
Oh, you want to bet?
Call it.
What y'all calling?
We gonna call it now.
Nobody called nothing, bro. Nobody called nothing.
That funny shit out, Marco.
Yeah, bro.
Shit out, no, you call it. That funny shit out. No.
I call.
No, hell no. Sit back.
I'm calling.
Back up. Call it, man. God damn.
Y'all calling?
What it fell on?
I don't know. Who calling?
He called his. Go ahead.
Calling head.
Man, just flip the fucking quarter, bro. Goddamn.
It hit somebody's shoe.
His foot.
Tails. No, it didn't.
And it head.
Bruh.
That's tails. No goddamn
Tails.
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 Hit somebody's foot.
It ain't hit nobody's foot.
That shit ain't
It ain't hit nobody's foot. It's tails.
We ain't going for that. Cracking everything.
Yes, the hell it did.
It ain't even bounced.
Thank you. The flag man called it. Y'all step back, man. Flip back now. Flip over there. Flip that way.
Everybody back up. Right there. Yep. Y'all call
Back up.
Red back. Keep it back up. Back up. There you go.
You calling it?
No.
They got heads.
Put it on tails, Huncho.
Tails, nigga. We got lane choice. We'll pick when we get down there.
Quan. You picking?
We just
No.
Oh no, you pick.
Yeah.
Just for bumping.
Tails. Yeah. Tails.
Tails.
Yeah. You got 6
So look, wait, don't go nowhere. Hey, y'all know, 2 burnouts, 1 dry hop. You cross the front, you lost. You cross behind,
That
good.
quarter.
Oh, because you got bumped in second, you got 5 seconds to tap out of there now. If you ain't ready in 5 seconds, I'm gonna bang that fucking light. Now, I'm telling y'all right now.
You know my, you know, trail break?
huh?
Trail break.
We
don't know yet.
Yeah.
We'll
Okay.
let him know.
Hey, but check this out. If your tire crack before you flick your headlights, we'll restart. If your tire crack after you hit the headlights, you lost. So y'all need to have somebody to goddamn record them tires. Also, I'm not paying nobody to see finish line video. Now, let's talk about this finish line. I keep hearing these fucking rumors and shit. Chaz, Nico.
David, listen.
All right,
David
so
got
what?
the wheel.
If we start at the goddamn, is it still at the pole, right?
If you start at the pole, there's already line marked.
Okay,
And if you start at the line where we had moved it to, you got to walk up
12 or 13 feet.
Okay, no, we're gonna start at the pole.
Start at the pole,
original. We're gonna start at the pole where the mark that finish line is, and it's still at that tree, right before the white sign.
It's on the ground. You can't miss it. It's in order.
Now, with that also being said, anything else y'all niggas want to say? Nothing else. All right, come on, let's rock out.
I don't give a fuck. They should have never locked in nothing, nigga.
Hey, bro, you ain't finna yell at me, nigga. Hey, if it need to go there, you already know I'm with that shit. Hey, calm that shit down. Don't yell at me, nigga.
You got
Talk to Keith about it. You already know.
So what we doing, bro?
Bro, I'm talking about. I'm telling all y'all to be safe, bro. Simple as that.
So ain't no race fucking with y'all.